Do you operate a CNC Plasma system and there's constant concern of your rails being parallel with one another, the gantry constantly goes in a bind? Well, at Squickmon's, we have an adjustable Y-axis rail system as well as an adjustable X-axis rail system. The purpose of that is to ensure one, that linear components have maximum lifespan, but two, so that your machine can produce parts accurately over and over again and not have any issues or binds in the gantry assembly. This adjustable rail system runs up the side of the table. Those can be loosened. They can be ensured that they are parallel through complete operation of your system. If you have any questions about a CNC plasma system and you're wondering with all the options and it just feels confusing and overwhelming to choose from, feel free to give us a call at Squickmons. We'd love to be able to share with you what makes our systems one of the best offered in the whole industry. Click the link below and we'll be glad to take a phone call with you today.